I'm Fiona Mackenzie, divorce coach, divorcee and would-be adventurer. Welcome to my 12 months of adventure. We are about to embark on my very first canoeing adventure. I'm currently at Bono, which is on the road between Tyndrum and Oban, and we're going to paddle along Loch Etive. We're actually expecting the weather today to be really windy, but fortunately the forecast changed, and as you can see it's really quite calm, so this is great for my first experience. I thought it was going to be raining as well, but no, it's not raining at the moment anyway. I think tomorrow it's going to be raining more, so that's going to make things a little bit more challenging. But yeah, so we're going to camp alongside on Loch Etive and for the night, and then we'll just be paddling back tomorrow.
Are you ready to go?
Yes. And this is Ben, obviously, who you remember from my other videos. Just talking about how amazing it is to be out here today, because the weather was supposed to be heavy rain and windy when we first decided to come here and do this a couple of weeks ago. That was what the forecast was, and it was the forecast right up until today. So I was expecting this to be quite a bit of a grind coming up here, and instead it is this. There's nothing like sitting on a loch in a boat looking at amazing scenery like this on a calm day. It's the same sort of feeling that I get when I'm up on top of a hill. That sort of peace and contentment that I've described many times in many of my videos. You don't even need any words, really. Just the sound of the paddles and the water. It's stunning. come in here to this absolutely gorgeous spot for camping. Really is. I don't know if you can see behind us, but there's been a couple of seals that's been following us all the way up the loch. And they're still with us out there, keeping an eye on us. Just incredible views all the way around. It really is quite something. So, in the time it's taken me to put my tent up, Ben has dragged the boat in from the sea so it doesn't float away, which I wouldn't have thought of. Put his own tent up, lit a fire, made us both a cup of tea, and has got dinner on now as well. He's like the super camper. What's on the menu, Ben?
It's a sirloin steak. No, it's a rump steak with onions, mushrooms in a garlic Diane sauce, with asparagus and new potatoes with a wee bit of butter over them. All done on the campfire and on various stoves and stuff.
We are glamping it tonight for sure. No, Ben has very kindly taken care of all of the eating arrangements. So yeah, done a top job. Now he's going to cook it up for me as well. Compliments to the chef. Dinner is served. The forecasted rain has started, and we've had to sort of escape to our tents. We're just fine. We've got a lovely night for the most part, and we're really lucky with the weather because we were thinking it was going to be like this through the day, and it wasn't. So yeah, it's pretty much going to be like this all through the night now until tomorrow morning, so, and beyond. So yeah, tomorrow will be a bit more of a wet day, but at least we got the amazing scenery that we had to do. So yeah, I'm just going to say goodnight, and we'll see you in the morning. Did you make that?
No, this is just out of that packet.
Oh, is it?
In fact, yes, I made.
Yes, you did. The evidence is... So I woke up this morning expecting the rain to be pounding on the tent like it was last night, but it's actually totally dry and it's flat calm. And like opening up the tent this morning, well, it was quite dark, but you could see that the sea is just all glassy again. It's really beautiful, and we're just getting some breakfast sorted, and then we'll be packing up and on our way, and hopefully the rain will stay off at least until we get back in the boat. But if not, you know, it doesn't really matter. But we're or Ben, I say we. Ben is cooking up breakfast this morning. And this is the best camping trip I've ever been on. I haven't had to do a thing. Morning, Ben.
Morning. How do you like your bacon?
Either or, I don't mind.
Well,
beggars can't be choosers.
Yeah. I've no idea how it'll turn out anyway.
good, good. Smells good. I get the washing up. On our way. It is raining, but it is beautiful. Flat calm, gorgeous scenery. It's grey and beautiful. Most people associate grey with not being that nice, but it's grey and beautiful because the sky is grey. It's reflecting off the sea, which is making it grey. The hills are quite hazy and cloudy, and so they're grey as well, but it's just beautiful. All different shades of grey. Not 50 shades of grey, I should say. Definitely not 50 shades of grey. And we weren't alone. The two seals that had followed us up the loch the night before had stayed with us overnight and were following us back up the loch again. It was nice to see some friendly faces.